basketball. What's up, guys? It's Dan. Hope you're all doing well through this whole pandemic thing and not doing this. Yeah, if you're doing that, then you deserve it because you're doing it to yourself. So don't do that. Don't think of doing that. It's just completely fucking stupid. No joke. It is stupid. Do not lick toilet seats. I know a good amount of you are probably stuck at home. I still have to go to work because I actually process payroll, so people need to get paid. So without me, they can't or whatever. Because some businesses are still running, so I need to process their payroll and, you know, do that kind of work for them. But yeah, just stay safe, do as you're being told. I don't need to tell you what to do because everyone's repeating it, so just do what everyone else is saying. Anyway, the van. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how how I installed hood struts on this van. Now the way I worded that means that I've already done it, but I'll also show you how I did it. So let's go and pop the hood and see the end result. Okay, so I'm gonna unlatch it and up it goes, just like that. So this is something that I've been wanting to do to the van. I did try once before about a year ago, but I didn't have that much knowledge in terms of what needed to be known. Especially like with the struts here. I'm gonna link in the description below everything that I'm using. So these are 20-inch struts rated at 40 pounds each. So I have 80 pounds on this hood. This hood, by the way, weighs just shy of 10 pounds, mainly because it's aluminum. But yeah, my goal for this was to just have it pop up on its own. I mean, it dances around, but it lifts up on its own. That was the main thing. You can see it wants to go up. So you can see the brackets I'm using. All of these, I think, require 10mm ball studs. It's about the standard for them. I have it screwed onto the hood there, and then down here. Now, I've got these brackets mainly because I wasn't sure how I wanted to put them on, like configure them, because I can have it, as you see, like that, or I could have had the strut mounted further here, and then closer to there. And you do see that as well. Most cars that come with these stock have them in this configuration. So I decided to go that way. Now I did use 10-pound struts at first, so that will be a total of 20 pounds. It did work, but I still had to push the hood up all the way on my own. It was actually pretty weak because a slight or moderate breeze would have been able to move the hood or close the hood, so I didn't want that. And then I actually tried 20-pound struts. They worked, they held the hood up. The slight or moderate breeze wouldn't move it, but I still had to lift it up on my own still. So I skipped 30 and I went to 40. And these actually lift up, whoops. These actually lift up the hood on its own. I can't find the latch with my left hand. Or my right, oh here it is. So it lifts it up on its own. Just like that. You can probably use 30 or 35-pound struts. Again, these are 20 inches long, fully extended. And there is plenty of room here for the strut when it closes, as you can see. So no worries about room. Again, I got these brackets here. It's this flat triangle plate with a ball there. So I was kind of worried that I wouldn't be able to use them down here because I wanted to mount it here or somewhere around here, but the ball was flat. But luckily, as you can see, the suspender bracket comes up and then over, so I had a vertical area here to mount the ball. Now I could probably just use a ball stud instead of one attached to a plate, Maybe I'll do that in the future. But yeah, you can mount it here. Just drill a hole through this bracket. You'll have to remove, well, not remove, but move this, whatever this is, this plastic out of the way. It just has these three retainers right there. You just remove that and lift it up, so that way your drill will fit here and you'll be able to drill the hole there. But yeah, I would suggest mounting this one on first. And once you get that, you can attach your strut and then open up the hood and see where you want to mount this end. Now, I didn't measure for this mounting plate. I kind of like eyeballed where it goes in relation to the shape of this and everything there, and I tried to translate it over to this side, which I got it pretty close and everything, so that worked out. And then yeah, the same for this one as well. If you're thinking of doing this to your Odyssey, yes, your Odyssey, ever since I started my channel and showcased my Odyssey, there have been an increase in sales of Odysseys. That is a big fat lie. But yeah, if you want to do this to your Odyssey, or maybe this will work on other vans. For some reason they don't come with these. I mean, it didn't necessarily need this, I just wanted it to have it. But it is convenient. You don't have to mess with a hood prop, which I did eliminate. It normally mounts from on this hole right there, and then comes across here and has a clip here, which I just put a button just to cover up the square hole so it doesn't look weird. But yeah, they usually don't come with hood struts, but it's nice to have. I just want to be able to open a hood, and that's it. So anyway, yeah, this is going to be it for the video. I just wanted to share with you this mod, upgrade, whatever you want to call it. It's convenient. I like it. Again, link in the description below to everything that I used. I got it all on Amazon. And I might switch this to just a ball instead of a plate. I already have a hole drilled there, so I could just stick it in and tighten it down. You can fit a wrench back here, and then screwdriver in there. Again, you'll have to lift this up just so you'll have room. Check it out. Equilibrium. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. Do as you're being told. Don't lick toilet seats. So stupid. Why? Why are people doing that? Anyway, I will see you in the next one.